What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add your photos or videos in Spotlight in Snapchat for more views. So stay tuned with us. So I will open my Snapchat. So here is my Snapchat. So I will click on this setting and then I will click on add to my stories. So here I have to select which photos or videos I want to post in Spotlight. So I will click on first one for hypothetically. So then I have to click on more friends, and before you can edit your videos. If you want to write text on this photo or video, you can do it very easily. So I will not do right now. So then I have to click on more friends. So here you can see here is Spotlight. So click on Spotlight and then you have to write add to chat some text. So let's say I will contact us. So then you have to write description for more details, contact us. So then simply click on this icon. So I will click. So now my post has been uploading to Spotlight and stories. So my post will show in both sides, in stories and in Spotlight as well. So in this way you can post your videos or photos in Spotlight. I hope you got it. Thanks for watching.